I love making something out of nothing. I'm not trained, but I am brave and determined. Of course, I could hire a professional, but DIY first. should have did a California patch.
Yeah, that's solid in there. So what kind of patch is this called?
I don't know. Regular, I guess. Regular. Normal.
So how you say the Cali patch go? What you do?
You just like, the back side be like this, but it have extra paper all the way around on the front side. So when you put it there, you put mud all around and then you put it in place and the paper holds it instead of screws.
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying.
Yes, it helps.
Put that in there so it'll be paper around this.
Yeah.
And then you just mud the paper around it.
Yeah. And the paper holds it.
Gotcha.
Yeah, now.
Yeah, we're here now.
I was just trying to use a scrap I already had. I already had this piece here. So I was like, what should I just use that?
So what you want off? What else you want off? These?
And this round here.
This whole thing?
Yeah, and then you know, all this little, get it back to this piece of wood here. Get that there. Get the rest of this off of here.
Gotcha. So what about, so get it to right here, on here?
Let's see.
Get it to right here,
I guess
on this
so.
side?
I guess so. Yeah. Yeah.
Got to keep that junk like that instead of like that.
Not just that big piece there. That piece.
Oh, this drywall.
That's particle board. I don't know what it's covering up, but you can probably.
Drywall.
That's drywall.
That's probably it's covering the wall, covering the.
I think it's an opening there.
Yeah.
I think we
It's a
should
little
leave it.
loose. It actually needs tightening. So yeah, that's drywall,
I
baby.
think we should leave it.
I think you should. That's drywall.
All
All
right,
I gotta
then.
do is take loose and put it back. So get a shot
I'll
of
put a second coat of mud on that, and I'll see about patching that shower surround. But we can go and start on the kitchen if you knock it out.
You're talking about the corners? Gotcha. Yeah, I see what you're saying. I see exactly what you're saying.
Don't you think that'll look better if I can round it off like that?
Yeah. It would.
See if I can get it. Try to get it even. A little even. Kind of press it into the corner and then smooth it out. I can get it in thick enough.
now. See, that's what I was thinking.